We have some evening thunderstorms out there, mostly cloudy, muggy. Lows tonight, warm again, 72 to 76 degrees. And we have severe thunderstorm watch boxes out. This one just issued a few moments ago, goes till 1 in the morning. This one goes till 9 o'clock, but that's the line that we're watching right through there. And it has been very active. So all of this is included in that area except the Cape and the Islands. I think by the time it gets closer to the coast, it will lose a lot of its punch. But right now, tremendous amount of punch. Look at this lightning around Albany right now. Almost 1,000 lightning strikes in the last 15 minutes alone. It's got a tremendous amount of energy with it. And we have severe thunderstorm warnings, which have now been issued through parts of Berkshire County, extending all the way up toward Orange. This little cell right here is the strong one that we're looking at, kind of working its way up toward Shelburne. But then look just across the border. Look how powerful that thing is. And it has a history of some rotation with it. I'm not concerned about rotation so much as I'm concerned about really heavy downpours, gusty winds, and perhaps even some damaging hail out of the whole thing. So that line is going to be marching its way across the state at about 30 miles an hour. All of this is warned right now, and that, if you put a tracker onto it, would put it into Worcester about 8:30 and in Boston about 9:30. So if you have evening plans, keep an eye to the sky. These storms have got a real punch to them. So as they move their way across the state, I do think they'll lose a little bit of their punch. So by 9 o'clock moving into Worcester, not as damaging as they are right now, but certainly downpours, gusty winds, and a lot of lightning and thunder going on. This will move its way into Boston, 9:30, 10 o'clock tonight. And by midnight, this line is offshore, and we are done with that one. But you know what? We're going to do it again tomorrow afternoon. So for tomorrow, we have morning sunshine, but afternoon thunderstorms. 92 to 96. It's hot, it's humid, and here come the thunderstorms again. What time do they get here? Looks like about in the afternoon. They'll start in western Mass, then work their way across the state. This is just the beginning of it, because we have more of that coming in for tomorrow night. Some heavy downpours out of this one again, lightning and thunder, and some gusty winds. The threat will stay with us through tomorrow evening, even into early Thursday morning. But then once Thursday morning comes in, behind it, here comes the cooler, drier air moving in by Thursday afternoon, and a much more comfortable forecast. So this is the area most likely for severe weather, the western half of the state more than likely. And what we're watching for tomorrow, damaging winds, downpours, pockets of flooding rain, but remember, the showers hang on until Thursday morning. So here's the way it looks over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, an impact weather day. Keep an eye to the sky, as we will be doing this evening and again tomorrow afternoon. The rain stays with us till early Thursday morning, but clearing away Thursday afternoon. And when it clears away, the humidity drops, making for a beautiful Friday coming our way. And the weekend, looking very nice as well. Sunshine, mid-80s, and comfortable humidity all the way in to the first part of next week. But we'll be keeping a close eye on these thunderstorms this evening as they march eastward.